Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to split a video in iMovie. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to split a movie in iMovie. Maybe you want to create a reel, or maybe you're just creating a video for your social media, and in that video the video is long and you just want to split it. You want a specific part from the video and you don't know how to do it. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you can split videos in iMovie. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the iMovie from App Store. And if you have not installed it, then you first have to install it. After that, you just have to simply tap on its icon and the app will open. Once app gets open, you will see its interface. At the bottom, we have three options. The first two options are the default option, which means with the help of that, iMovie will create a movie without anything like editing. So if you want to go with editing, you want customization, then you have to select this third option, which is movie. Once you click on it, your mobile phone photo gallery will open, and from there you have to select the videos that you want to trim, or you could say split. So you just have to simply select on the videos, it will get selected. If you want to select multiple, then you have to select multiple videos. Otherwise, if you want to go with a single video, that's all up to you, you can select that. And after that, you have to click on this option which says create movie, which is at the bottom. Once you click on it, the video that we have selected will get here. After that, what you have to do is that you just have to simply click on this video option, which is in the middle of the screen, this one. You just have to simply tap on it, and then few options will come up, and with the help of those options we will be easily able to split the video. So for that, just simply click on it, and at the bottom you could see we have few options. So from all these options you have to select the left one. If you have not selected the left one, then you just have to simply tap on the left one, which is a scissor icon you could see. You just have to simply click on it, and with that, on the top you will see this option which says split. So if you want to split a video, for example you want to split a video from 5 seconds, so what you have to do is that you have to grab the video on the 5 seconds, and after that you have to click on split, and it will cut the video from the place that you have selected. Here you can see it has splitted the video. Now if you want to cut a specific part, then you have to move it, and then you have to get there where you want to end the splitting. Here you once click on it, the part will be splitted, and if you want to delete it, you can delete that by just simply clicking on delete, and it will get deleted. So that's how you can split. And if you don't want to delete that, that's okay, you can keep it, you don't have to delete it. Otherwise you can move your finger like that and video will get splitted. So you can go with any one of these options. Both of these options work perfectly, and once you're done, click on done. And again, if you want to save it, you can save it, and if you want to discard it, you can do that. It's all up to you. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can split a video in iMovie. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.